Yes.
We are now at the Mechanical Engineering Department of United College of Engineering and Research. As you can see, a whole lot of machines lying out here, which is all about mechanical and mechanics and manufacturing. We have with us Shri Santaramji, who is in charge of this entire workshop of United College of Engineering and Research. Santaramji, आपका स्वागत है. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग लेबोरेटरी में प्रथम वर्ष का छात्र जब आता है तो उसका अनुभव के बारे में कुछ बताएं.
प्रथम वर्ष का जो छात्र आता है वो बिल्कुल रॉ हैंड होता है, ओनली इंजीनियरिंग वर्ड जानता है, व्हाट इज इंजीनियरिंग वो नहीं जानता. तो उसको यहाँ एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है और जितने मैकेनिज्म है उसको गाइड कर दिया जाता है, बता दिया जाता है, तब वो डेवलप हो जाता है.
आज कंप्यूटर और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के युग में मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का जो रुझान है, जो लगता है कि भाई नंबर 3 नंबर 4 पे वो आता है, तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग हमेशा रहा है और रहेगा. मैकेनिकल पर ही सभी इंजीनियरिंग डिपेंड करती हैं. तो इसलिए मैकेनिकल के स्टूडेंट जो हो कहीं भी किसी भी जॉब में इंगेज हो सकते हैं, कहीं भी, और सिविल इलेक्ट्रिकल की भी. लेकिन अन्य जॉब के इनकी स्कोप घटती बढ़ती रहती है, लेकिन मैकेनिकल की कंटिन्यू रहेगी हमेशा.
आप जो नए छात्र आते हैं उनको इस बात में कैसे उत्प्रेरित करते हैं, कैसे उनका रुझान विकसित करते हैं?
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा करते करते अनुभव हो गया है, इसीलिए उनकी टैक्टिस को जान गया हूँ. कौन लड़का किस तरह से ओबलाइज होगा, इस तरह से उसकी मेंटालिटी को हम चेंज करते हैं और बताते हैं, समझाते हैं, फिर वो लड़के कैच करना शुरू कर देते हैं.
आई थिंक इट्स द शेयर कमिटमेंट एंड इट्स द शेयर सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विच इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर sensitizing the students at large about the importance of a particular branch of engineering. As Santaramji said, that mechanical engineering is the basis of all engineering framework. We had earlier talked with the electrical engineering professor that without electricity no modern engineering can come into place. So there is a whole pyramid of learning and everyone has a role to play in that particular spectrum. We also have with us Professor Anuj Kapoor, who heads the Mechanical Engineering Department at United College of Engineering and Research. Welcome Anuj sir.
Thank you sir.
Would you please throw some light about the Mechanical Engineering Department at you sir?
Okay, in UGI, in UCR, Greater Noida, mechanical engineering is a foundation of all engineering. And here mechanical students are very much bright, and obviously mechanical engineering is a backbone of all engineering all engineering streams. So here the mechanical engineering is a good branch in our college.
When you say good, like what kind of organizations your students have joined in the past and they are being sought after?
Obviously, recently one of our student, Deep Ranjan, who has been selected in EIL, Engineers India Limited, in 2013, got first rank in OBC category, and also he has interviewed in UPSC Engineering Services exam, and he has a good chance of success in that exam.
So I'm talking more about the engineering profession per se. Like academic brilliance is one thing, but mechanical engineers by their own professional expertise, what kind of roles they are playing in the industry?
In industry, mechanical engineers are playing a big role. We can see that mechanical engineers are playing a good role in infrastructures and all the constructions industry, as well as in manufacturing industries. The mechanical engineers are playing a vital role.
Greater Noida is a hub of a lot of automobile companies out here. What kind of interactions or interfaces your department has with these companies?
Recently, I have interaction with the JBM industry, which has been visited our college recently last 2 years. So we have good experience with interaction of JBM in last month ago.
What's the typical life cycle of a mechanical engineering fresher? Like what kind of jobs he is put onto, and what like there is a general perception like it's a whole lot of sweat and dirt with this mechanical engineering per se. So how what kind of job roles a mechanical engineering student is put onto?
Obviously, mechanical engineering is a tough branch, and freshers has to play a tough job in the industry, as well as recently freshers as a playing our rigorous job. But after having experience of 4 to 5 years, they will acquire a good position in industry. So recently, for as a fresher, 3 to 4 years they have to play a tough role, and their job is really rigorous.
What kind of exposure you put your students onto?
In a first year, students will be exposed with the workshop recently, and workshop is a big exposure for a fresher student. Here is a different machines like lathe, and this machine is a backbone of a workshop. So students will be exposed by different machines. They have not they didn't know about these machines earlier up to 12th level, but in engineering they come to know all these machines and various operations, how various operations are carried out on these machines, how the various forming processes are carried out, how welding is carried out, how casting is carried out. All these things are understood by students in these lab, in this particularly this lab. So this kind of exposure they get in first year especially, and after onwards they are exposed with the HMT lab, RAC lab, and manufacturing practice lab, mechanics lab. All these are the different areas of mechanical engineering, so that the student have to come through all these labs.
What, in your opinion, are the 3 exciting things which a buzzing or budding engineering student should look forward for becoming a mechanical engineer?
I would say one thing for mechanical students, because mechanical has been here in the world every year and will always remain same in the world. I would say that mechanical is a one stream of engineering which gives all the pride, which gives all the things to the engineer.
We have a whole lot of micro, small and medium enterprises across the length and breadth, and most of them are dealing somewhere with the mechanical parts or mechanical spaces. So does USER has got some linkages or some focus area in linking your students with the challenges which these MSMEs are facing with, or some kind of a research orientation you are having?
In small scale industries, we can say that students, freshers are really getting a big exposure because their bookish knowledge comes in a practical knowledge. So in a small scale industry, they are also providing employment as well as the industrial exposure to the freshers. So I would say that they are playing a big role.
So you're sending your students to visit these MSMEs on a large scale?
Definitely, I would say the students, they should get exposure all these industries also.
I think mechanical engineering is really a rough and tough branch where only the tough nuts need to come, and as Professor Kapoor talked about, like it's going to stay, it's the foundation of engineering. So I think the budding engineering students would make mechanical a good choice, a good career choice, and with the automobile sector of the country growing at a faster pace, with manufacturing coming into forefront, mechanical engineers will be playing a great key role. And at USER, the mechanical engineering students have done some path-breaking research and path-breaking developments and dissections of some engines and prepared some projects. So we will be taking a look at them in a short while. So stay tuned.